Kubor ka Batai TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
In case if he don't understand much about the land acquisition and the lease agreement, so ask him to meet me. I will explain to him nicely.
Sambut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela, Ubak Prestone Tensong. Lapan painia kala yo Presiden kami Kelia Pradesh Congress Committee Ubak Vincent Pala dah baong. Balada Sngewthuh ke Jingmut jong ka kentian land acquisition but land agreement ula pan jing pensyai. Ka ke Jingmut jong kini kentian. Kani ke jing kentho jong Ubak Prestone kalong halor ke jing keno jong Ubak Pala. Bakadon ka jing penbaik sop halor ke jing simti jong ka sorkar ya ka jaka hatam yo molong. Hak jika keren bagi Batai kubor hak Sngewthuh deng ke arterik unai luar arajar arpuar. Ubak Prestone loy thuh baka sorkar kala sim khiapa lor kini ka kam bat ling baka jing penbaik da ka jing Sngewthuh Jingmut ka dorbar jong usiem ka hima melim kala kloy ban IT ka jaka ka sorkar khnang bante ya kanu jing tei. Hak ni ka jaka on dalapan kerja ya ki lai spa saupu artli ki long yeng ki basa hatam yo molong.
It's a breakthrough, big deal and big achievement. Because all these years, that land where the agreement was signed long time back between the aim of Himamalim and the municipal board, it was only a stretch of it. But after a series of meetings we had with the Himamalim, with this aim of Himamalim, ultimately he has taken this issue to the executive committee of the Darbar as well as to his Darbar, and ultimately with our request from the government side, we told them why not you hand over to the government this entire area, entire plot. So ultimately, thank God, they accepted that proposal and then they handed over and we have taken possession of this plot of land. Tripartite agreement, there is no question of outright purchase or outright sales. This is the agreement. The agreement is what? On lease basis. That is the point. That's what I'm telling you. If Mapala does not understand, I'm ready to explain to him all the details, because he is right. Such a biggest deal, such a wonderful deal, and such a biggest achievement done by the government. And the credit goes to the aim of Himamalim, who has such a big heart to ultimately agree for lease agreement between the aim of Himamalim and the municipal board as well as with the urban affairs department. Because right now, I think from urban affairs department, they have to engage the expert for preparing the DPR, the designing everything. So I think they must have already engaged, or if not, they must have already floated the EOI, the best designer, the best architect to design that particular place, which was already handed over to the government for redeveloping, for converting into a proper commercial complex, as well as not only commercial complex, as well as the hawkers section where we can accommodate them over there. In case if you don't understand much about the land acquisition and the lease agreement, so ask him to meet me. I will explain to him nicely. Pemerintah kita prepare itu terka DPR, kita prepare itu blueprint. Blueprint means you can design. Bapik nama ngamut ban khot yaki day andala deplut kata kat no kamera kawi kuyudit kat no ke area day kata tidak melek nak lihat ki arsitek dengan apsya yitai benta ba andala dep kata den dengan sakhot yaki yaka HPC ba ngin yakren markmat bat yang peniru ini nilai ini